Ethereum cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $1,876.68 a coin, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The present exchanged cost range, $1,856.41 $1,882.12 in a significant way. The earlier day close, $1,860.94. Most certainly is opposed to mainstream thinking. The change truly was plus 15.74. Plus 0.85%, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Reverse rate, United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 31, cost $1850, genuinely greatest 1980, fundamentally least 1721 in a huge way. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, August 1, cost $1864, in every way that really matters, most extreme 1994, kind of least 1734 amazingly. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 2, cost $1872, really most extreme 2003, genuinely least 1741, which in every practical sense, is very huge. Ethereum figure on Thursday, August 3, cost $1833, truly greatest 1961, least 1705, which sort of is genuinely huge. Ethereum value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, showing how Ethereum cost commonly equivalent to $1,876.68 a coin in a quite large manner. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 4, cost $1855, sort of most extreme 1985, exceptionally least 1725 in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum gauge on Monday, August 7, cost $1830, extremely greatest 1958, kind of least 1702, which for the most part is very critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, August 8, cost $1830, most extreme 1958, truly least 1702 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, August 9, cost $1833, sort of greatest 1961, exceptionally least 1705, which is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost $1824, sort of most extreme 1952, kind of least 1696, which basically is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Friday, August 11, cost $1811, kind of most extreme 1938, genuinely least 1684, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 14, cost $1800, especially most extreme 1926, really least 1674 in every practical sense enormous way. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, August 15, cost $1792, genuinely most extreme 1917, kind of least 1667. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost $1785, in every practical sense, greatest 1910, especially least 1660, or so they generally thought. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, August 17, cost $1726, by and large greatest 1847, least 1605, showing how Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, August 9, cost $1833, lovely most extreme 1961, least 1705, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 18, cost $1849, especially most extreme 1978, exceptionally least 1720. Ethereum figure on Monday, August 21, cost $1842, truly most extreme 1971, least 1713, which truly is very critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, August 22, cost $1840, greatest 1969, genuinely least 1711. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, August 23, cost $1857, really greatest 1987, especially least 1727, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, August 24, cost $1855, extremely greatest 1985, truly least 1725 in a truly significant way. In about a month Ethereum gauge on Friday, August 25, cost $1850, most certainly greatest 1980, genuinely least 1721 in a really significant way. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, August 28, cost $1874, greatest 2005, by and large least 1743 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, August 29, cost $1812, most extreme 1939, all things considered, least 1685 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH conversion standard, especially equivalent to 0.5329 coins per $1,000, which in a real sense, shows that Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost $1824 in every practical sense, greatest 1952, truly least 1696 in a significant way. Today's reach, 0.5313 0.5387, exhibiting how Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 28, cost $1874, beautiful most extreme 2005, all things considered, least 1743, which is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby, 0.5374, or so they thought. Change for now 0.0045, 0.84% in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost 0.541 coins, essentially most extreme 0.581, exceptionally least 0.505, or so they in a real sense thought. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 0.536 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.577, beautiful least 0.502, showing how in about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Friday, August 11, cost $1811, genuinely greatest 1938 in every practical sense, least 1684. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, cost 0.534 coins, certainly greatest 0.574, for the most part least 0.499, or so they in a real sense thought. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.546 coins in every practical sense, greatest 0.587, all things considered, least 0.510. Showing that US to ETH forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.546 coins, really most extreme 0.587, lovely least 0.510 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, August 4, cost 0.539 coins, greatest 0.580, sort of least 0.504 amazingly. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Monday, August 7, cost 0.546 coins, for the most part greatest 0.588, truly least 0.511, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost 0.546 coins, beautiful greatest 0.588 in every practical sense, least 0.511 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost 0.546 coins.